program has been rated N13. It contains some coarse language, violence, sexual references, nudity, and other material that may be restricted for viewers under 13. Viewer discretion is advised.
Here they come. Get your cameras ready.
Everyone stay behind the barriers, please.
Give them room to enter the building.
Oh no, not caught again.
Yes, caught again. We warned you many times to behave yourself.
You're always causing trouble. I wish you had listened to Mom and Dad.
It wasn't that bad.
Not that bad.
Not that bad?
Not that bad.
Let's review what happened in Thailand.
First, you pulled the fire alarm at the hotel for absolutely no reason.
I was curious.
Curious? Hundreds of guests had to evacuate the building.
Hotel employees had to check the entire property.
Everyone was annoyed.
Well.
Second, you went to a restaurant and started throwing food everywhere.
You ruined several meals. You even knocked drinks onto the floor. The workers had to clean up a huge mess.
I guess that wasn't a good idea.
Not a good idea is an understatement.
Then you started yelling at staff members who asked you to stop.
They were being strict.
Many people come here for important cases, including yours. You brought this on yourself.
Maybe today you'll learn something.
Everyone will be angry at me.
Everyone please remain calm while waiting for court to begin.
No running, shouting, or causing disturbances. Attention everyone. Please remain calm and orderly while waiting for your cases.
Please continue walking.
Stay with us.
I can't believe this. This is ridiculous.
Shut up. Arguing in the hallway won't change the outcome.
Good morning. Classic Caillou, do you understand why we're here today?
Because of Thailand?
Exactly because of Thailand. The hotel submitted reports. The restaurant submitted reports. Witnesses submitted statements.
Now you're beginning to understand. Actions have consequences.
This is getting worse every minute.
Court session will begin shortly. Please remain seated and wait for instructions.
Can I go home?
No.
Attention! The Honorable Judge Max Donomations will begin court proceedings shortly. All parties should prepare to enter the courtroom.
All rise. Courtroom 4 of Lawsonville Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Max Donomations presiding.
Thank you. You may all be seated. Good morning, everyone. We are gathered here today to review allegations involving misconduct during a trip to Thailand.
Uh-oh.
The court requests that everyone remain respectful and truthful.
Understood, Your Honor.
Court clerk, please read the case summary.
Yes, Your Honor. The court has received reports regarding incidents that allegedly occurred in Thailand.
This is not going to be good.
You can say that again.
The first allegation states that Classic Caillou intentionally activated a hotel fire alarm without an emergency being present. The second allegation states that Classic Caillou caused disruption inside a restaurant by damaging meals and creating a disturbance.
The evidence doesn't sound very good. Not good at all. This is exactly why rules exist. Order in the court. Classic Caillou, do you understand the allegations that have been presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand why those actions are considered serious?
I think so.
Explain.
Pulling a fire alarm can cause panic and confusion.
Correct.
And destroying food in a restaurant causes problems for workers and customers.
Also correct.
At least he understands that part.
Court clerk, please continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. The hotel management reported that guests had to leave their rooms while staff investigated the alarm.
I remember that.
Employees spent significant time checking hallways, guest rooms, and public areas.
I remember that too.
The investigation found no emergency.
Because there wasn't one.
Exactly. The alarm activation was determined to be unnecessary.
I know.
Continue. The restaurant report states that food was thrown and several meals had to be replaced. That's unacceptable. Do not interrupt.
I didn't think about that at the time.
That is often the problem.
What do you mean?
Poor decisions are often made when people fail to think about how their actions affect others.
I never really thought about it that way.
Hopefully today will help you understand.
Your Honor, I would like to say that public places depend on people following rules.
Very true.
Hotels and restaurants serve many people every day. When someone causes trouble, it affects workers, visitors, and families.
I guess that's true.
It is true. That's exactly what we've been trying to tell him. Order. Members of the jury, based on what has been presented so far, do you have any comments? The actions described are irresponsible. People should respect rules and property. Actions have consequences. Thank you.
Your Honor, additional witness statements and evidence remain to be presented.
Court will proceed with evidence presentation in the next session. Court remains in session. We will now move to the evidence phase. Court is now back in session. You may be seated. We will now proceed to the witness and evidence phase. The court calls Boris to the stand. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I swear. You may proceed.
Let's see what he says.
Boris, please describe what you witnessed in Thailand. I witnessed behavior that was completely unacceptable. First, the fire alarm incident at the hotel.
Please explain.
Classic Caillou activated the fire alarm with no emergency present.
It caused panic protests.
Continue.
People were confused, running out of rooms, staff rushing everywhere. It took a long time to confirm there was no actual fire.
I didn't think it would be that serious.
Intent does not remove consequences. That was even worse. Meals were thrown, tables were disrupted, workers were overwhelmed, families were trying to eat peacefully, and everything turned chaotic.
I didn't mean to ruin everything. I have a question.
Proceed.
Boris, are you saying everything I did was on purpose?
I am saying your actions caused harm, regardless of your intent. I'm not angry or broken, bar I'm disappointed. Order. The witness will now submit evidence.
Exhibit a hotel security report. Shows fire alarm activation without emergency.
I see it.
Exhibit the restaurant footage description. Staff reports food being thrown and cleanup required.
Do we have additional evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. Exhibit C witness statements from hotel staff.
I read those earlier. They were upset but professional. Understood. Classic Caillou. What do you say after hearing this testimony and evidence?
I didn't realize it affected so many people. I thought it was just a joke at the time.
The court acknowledges your statement. However, actions in public spaces must always consider safety and respect for others.
I understand now.
Understanding is the first step. I just hope this situation helps him learn, because it wasn't just rules that were broken. It was trust. Very well. Court will proceed to deliberation and closing statements. Court will reconvene at 5 p.m. for the final session. All parties must be present for closing arguments and final decision. I will review all submitted materials. before reconvening. Final court session will begin at 5 p.m. sharp. Court is adjourned for today's session. Court is now in session for the final verdict. You may be seated. This is session 3, the final session of the day. We will now review all remaining evidence. hear final statements, and deliver the verdict.
This is it?
It's been leading here the whole time.
Your Honor, we begin with final consolidated evidence. Exhibit A. Final summary report. Fire alarm triggered at hotel without emergency. Mass evacuation of guests. Operational disruption confirmed.
I didn't think it would cause that much chaos.
Exhibit B. Restaurant incident summary. Food intentionally thrown. Staff forced to stop service temporarily. Cleanup and replacement costs recorded.
I confirm everything stated is accurate based on what I witnessed. Court will now allow final reflections.
I understand now that what I did was wrong. I thought it was just fun or jokes, but it hurt people.
Jury may briefly deliberate. The evidence is very clear. There's no doubt what happened. Court will now deliver the verdict. All parties, please stand. After reviewing all evidence, witness testimony, and final statements, the court finds that the accused is responsible for the actions committed in Thailand. The court has found him guilty by Classic Caillou.
Classic Caillou, please listen carefully. You are hereby sentenced for causing disruption in a public hotel environment, endangering safety by triggering a false fire alarm, damaging property and disturbing public services. Therefore, this court sentences you to 15 years in Lawsonville prison.
The consequences are final.
Justice has been served. Classic Caillou, do you understand the sentence?
Yes, Your Honor. I understand. I made a lot of mistakes. The court hopes this serves as a lesson in responsibility and respect for others.
Court is now adjourned. This concludes today's proceedings in case file, Thailand incident. Before all parties leave, the court would like to provide general scheduling information for all future trial sessions at Lawsonville Court. Session 1 will begin at 9 a.m. Session 2 will begin at 3 p.m. Session 3 will begin at 5 p.m. Available Monday to Friday only. If anyone needs assistance, please contact Lawsonville Court Support Desk. They can help with case scheduling, hearing updates, courtroom assignments, general legal inquiries. I would like to thank all participants for their cooperation during today's proceedings. Court integrity depends on respect, truth, and responsibility. The courtroom will now close. Until then, we will see you all tomorrow at 9 a.m. Until then, stay care and stay protect. Court is now dismissed. Classic Caillou, I can't believe you misbehaved in Thailand.
I already heard all of this in court.
No, you're going to hear it again, because maybe this time it will sink in properly.
Fire alarms are not toys. Restaurants are not places to cause chaos. People work hard in those places. You don't get to disturb everyone and act like it's nothing, and the court made its decision because of that. That's it. You are grounded for until Friday, January 1st, 2027.
What? That's an even long time.
And that's not all. If you continue misbehaving, there will be even more consequences in the future.
I'm not going to do anything else.
And think about everything that happened. You are not going anywhere else today.
That is the important part.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload.
Leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next.